got so engrossed in what I was reading that I even noticed the time. Oh God! It's already 6 o'clock! Arvin is waiting for me outside. I wanted to hide, but no! It was too late. He was already in front of me. Hey, Brenda. Did I drive you home? I shook my head irritatingly. How I hate him. He sends me a scented love letters in pink stationery, which I sent back home unopened. And he also gave me roses and chocolate too. They are my favorite. I want to eat the chocolates, but I hate the person who gave them. So I throw it to the trash. How could I ever get away from this girl? Hey Arvin, if you want to drive me home, thanks. But no thanks! I'm too old to go home on my own. Okay? So, stop following me like a dog. And besides, I'm too young for a dog. And I don't accept any suitors. Okay? But Brenda, I love you. Can't you see? I can give you everything you want. Just say it, then you will have it. And Brenda, remember, I can get everything I want. Anything. By hook or by fluke. So, you better be good to me. Or else. And he started laughing like a monster. I got so scared. I know how powerful his family was. But I still insisted. Arvin, how can you be such a jerk? Can't you see? I don't like you. And I don't love you. In fact, I hate you. Duh. So please now, leave me alone. But you know, instead of leaving me, you know what he did? He started kissing me. He pushed me on the wall. Arvin, I'm shouting for help, but no one is there. Somebody help me. Help me. Please. But before he reached me again, I started harassing myself. Now, Mr. Arvin Monteverde tried to kiss me again, attempt to rape me again, and I will never, ever forgive you! Go to hell! I don't know how many times I pushed the knife on his body until I noticed something. There's a blood. There's a blood on my head. There's a blood on my head. My God. Arvin! 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 I'm not a murderer. No, I'm not. I'm not a murderer. He attempted to rape me. He wanted to kiss me. I just defended myself. I'm not